How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do a 3-minute forearm workout for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. First exercise we're going to do is going to be twists. We're going to do high repetitions, you guys, so just like this. "40, keep going. "100 repetitions. Quick little break. Okay, next exercise is squeezes. So get your hands squeezed really, really tight and hold. You should be squeezing really, really hard. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Keep going. Do this for about 30 seconds. Keep going, keep going. Perfect. Quick little break. Okay, we're then gonna do forearm curls, just like this. Keep going. Okay, 70, quick little break. Okay, then we're gonna do twists. "30. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.